Hello, welcome to our channel. Today we will talk about some typical mistakes when organizing an event. To begin with, we must emphasize that the event organization requires a detailed, complete, and orderly control of each step from planning to execution of the event. This aspect is just as important and complex as that of human, financial or logistical resources. Everything must be considered in planning, and it will be reflected in our brand identity. One of the main mistakes is not respecting the time schedule or not having flexible enough schedules. This point refers to the importance of planning times that allow us to include margins in case of possible problems. For example, it is not possible to start setting up a stand at a fair the same afternoon as the opening, not only because of the security risks that it entails, but also because its quality will deteriorate. The key to a successful event depends fundamentally on its correct promotion. Excellent handling of the press is essential. We may have the best structure and location, but if it lacks a clean and pleasant environment, it is possible that no one will try to approach it, for obvious reasons. At the same time, both in the registration and in the places of access and reception, all staff must be fully aware of the event schedule and the task of each member. Failure to test the equipment before it being used can affect the event, seriously damaging our image. I recommend that you carry out several tests, one for each equipment and a final one with all of them at the same time. In case of technical problems, it is advisable to repeat the tests as many times as necessary until they are solved. When it comes to holding a virtual event, poor lighting, poor connection quality, lack of staff in chats, problems with downloading brochures, presentations loaded with text, among other things, can result in poor results at the time to evaluate the event. For more information, content and resources, I recommend you visit DanielaSánchezSilva.com. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to discover new contents.